Chiliz value equivalent to 2.1733 rands a coin. The present cost range, 2.1465 2.2332. The earlier day close, 2.2120. The change was 0.0387, 1.75%. Opposite rate, ZAR to CHC. Chiliz cost expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month. Chiliz cost forecast on Monday. Walk, 27, cost 2.27 rands, high 2.43, low 2.11. Chiliz estimate on Tuesday. Walk, 28, cost 2.15 rands, high 2.30, low 2.00. Chiliz cost forecast on Wednesday. Walk, 29, cost 2.24 rands, high 2.40, low 2.08. Chiliz estimate on Thursday. Walk, 30, cost 2.18 rands, high 2.33, low 2.03. In multi-week Chiliz cost forecast on Friday. Walk, 31, cost 2.24 rands, high 2.40, low 2.08. Chiliz estimate on Monday. April, 3, cost 2.14 rands, high 2.29, low 1.99. Chiliz cost forecast on Tuesday. April, 4, cost 2.30 rands, high 2.46, low 2.14. Chiliz estimate on Wednesday. April, 5, cost 2.35 rands, high 2.51, low 2.19. Chiliz cost forecast on Thursday. April, 6, cost 2.17 rands, high 2.32, low 2.02. In about 14 days Chiliz gauge on Friday. April, 7, cost 2.22 rands, high 2.38, low 2.06. Chiliz cost forecast on Monday. April, 10, cost 2.28 rands, high 2.44, low 2.12. Chiliz gauge on Tuesday. April, 11, cost 2.41 rands, high 2.58, low 2.24. Chiliz cost forecast on Wednesday. April, 12, cost 2.42 rands, high 2.59, low 2.25. Chiliz gauge on Thursday. April, 13, cost 2.58 rands, high 2.76, low 2.40. In 3 weeks Chiliz cost forecast on Friday. April, 14, cost 2.42 rands, high 2.59, low 2.25. Chiliz gauge on Monday. April, 17, cost 2.23 rands, high 2.39, low 2.07. Chiliz cost forecast on Tuesday. April, 18, cost 2.16 rands, high 2.31, low 2.01. Chiliz gauge on Wednesday. April, 19, cost 2.17 rands, high 2.32, low 2.02. Chiliz cost forecast on Thursday. April, 20, cost 2.17 rands, high 2.32, low 2.02. In about a month Chiliz gauge on Friday. April, 21, cost 2.11 rands, high 2.26, low 1.96. Chiliz cost forecast on Monday. April, 24, cost 2.01 rands, high 2.15, low 1.87. Chiliz gauge on Tuesday. April, 25, cost 1.94 rands, high 2.08, low 1.80. Chiliz value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026 and 2027. Chiliz cost expectation for Walk 2023. To start with cost at 2.41 rands. Exorbitant cost 2.56, while low cost 1.88. Found the middle value of cost 2.27. Chiliz cost gauge toward the month's end 2.24, change for spring 7.1%. Chiliz gauge for April 2023. To start with cost at 2.24 rands. Exorbitant cost 2.76, while low cost 1.80. Found the middle value of cost 2.27. Chiliz cost gauge toward the month's end 2.27, change for April 1.3%. Chiliz cost expectation for May 2023. In the first place cost at 2.27 rands. Exorbitant cost 2.51, while low cost 2.19. Found the middle value of cost 2.33. Chiliz cost gauge toward the month's end 2.35, change for May 3.5%. Chiliz estimate for June 2023. To start with cost at 2.35 rands. Exorbitant cost 2.92, while low cost 2.35. Found the middle value of cost 2.59. Chiliz cost estimate toward the month's end 2.73, change for June 16.2%. Chiliz cost expectation for July 2023. To start with cost at 2.73 rands. Exorbitant cost 2.73, while low cost 2.13. Found the middle value of cost 2.47. Chiliz cost estimate toward the month's end 2.29, change for July 16.1%. Chiliz estimate for August 2023. To start with cost at 2.29 rands, exorbitant cost 2.29, while low cost 1.79. The found the middle value of cost 2.07. Chiliz cost estimate toward the month's end 1.92, change for August 16.2%. Chiliz cost expectation for September 2023. First and foremost cost at 1.92 rands, exorbitant cost 1.95, while low cost 1.69. The found the middle value of cost 1.85. Chiliz cost estimate toward the month's end 1.82, change for September 5.2%. Chiliz estimate for October 2023. First and foremost cost at 1.82 rands, exorbitant cost 2.24, while low cost 1.82. The found the middle value of cost 1.99. Chiliz cost estimate toward the month's end 2.09, change for October 14.8%. Chiliz cost expectation for November 2023. First and foremost cost at 2.09 rands, exorbitant cost 2.59, while low cost 2.09. The found the middle value of cost 2.30. Chiliz cost estimate toward the month's end 2.42, change for November 15.8%. Chiliz estimate for December 2023. First and foremost cost at 2.42 rands, exorbitant cost 3.01, while low cost 2.42. The found the middle value of cost 2.67. Chiliz cost estimate toward the month's end 2.81, change for December 16.1%. Chiliz cost expectation for January 2024. In the first place cost at 2.81 rands, exorbitant cost 2.81, while low cost 2.19. The found the middle value of cost 2.54. Chiliz cost gauge toward the month's end 2.36, change for January 16.0%. Chiliz gauge for February 2024. In the first place cost at 2.36 rands, exorbitant cost 2.36, while low cost 1.84. The found the middle value of cost 2.14. Chiliz cost gauge toward the month's end 1.98, change for February 16.1%. Chiliz cost expectation for WAC 2024. In the first place cost at 1.98 rands, exorbitant cost 1.98, while low cost 1.54. The found the middle value of cost 1.79. Chiliz cost gauge toward the month's end 1.66, change for spring 16.2%. ZAR to CHC swapping scale equivalent to 0.4601 coins per 1 rand. The present reach 0.4478-0.4659. The earlier days nearby 0.4521. Change for now plus 0.0080, plus 1.77%. Rand to Chiliz figure on Monday. WAC 27, cost 0.441 coins, high 0.474, low 0.412. ZAR to CHC expectation on Tuesday. WAC 28, cost 0.465 coins, high 0.500, low 0.435. Rand to Chiliz figure on Wednesday. WAC 29, cost 0.446 coins, high 0.481, low 0.417. ZAR to CHC expectation on Thursday. WAC 30, cost 0.4